Welcome to Auto's Time. Today we're stepping into the future, where imagination meets engineering and sci-fi transforms into reality. We're not talking about your everyday cars or bikes today. Instead, we're diving into the world of futuristic, sci-fi machines, where vehicles aren't just built for travel but designed to dominate landscapes, crush obstacles, and rewrite the rules of power and technology. Imagine a machine that feels like it belongs in a video game or a blockbuster movie, but at the same time could be the next leap in battlefield technology or extreme exploration. That's the world of futuristic sci-fi vehicles, and today we're going to take you inside it. Picture this: a massive armored machine rolling on gigantic wheels, each one tall enough to dwarf an average person. Its black metal plating glows with neon orange accents, and every corner bristles with weapons, sensors, and advanced defense systems. It looks more like a mechanical beast than a vehicle. This isn't a traditional tank, nor a simple truck. It's a fusion of advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, and next-generation combat design, a vehicle built to rule the future. The design philosophy behind sci-fi vehicles like this is all about intimidation and efficiency. The sharp angles, thick armor plating, and glowing lights aren't just for show. They represent the evolution of military and exploration machines into a class of their own. Aerodynamics blends with brute force engineering to create something that's both fast and unstoppable. These vehicles are built to perform on any terrain: urban landscapes, deserts, icy wastelands, or even alien planets. Their oversized wheels or treads crush obstacles, while their intelligent suspension systems adjust in real time to keep them steady. This isn't just mobility, it's dominance. Now let's talk about firepower, because no futuristic sci-fi machine is complete without it. Mounted rocket pods, heavy plasma cannons, laser-guided turrets, and even drone launch bays transform these vehicles into rolling fortresses. They aren't just for defense, but designed to command entire battlefields. Imagine a single vehicle, capable of providing air defense, ground support, and even launching offensive strikes, all while being nearly indestructible thanks to layered nano-armor that adapts to attacks. It's like watching the future of combat unfold before your eyes. But these machines aren't only about destruction. They're also about advanced intelligence. In the sci-fi vision of the future, every vehicle is powered by artificial intelligence that doesn't just respond to commands, but predicts them. AI-driven targeting systems can lock onto multiple threats at once, while onboard navigation charts the most efficient course through dangerous environments. Some concepts even include fully autonomous operation, where human control is optional. Imagine an entire fleet of these vehicles moving in perfect sync without a single driver inside, coordinated like a swarm of futuristic war machines. The interiors of futuristic vehicles are no less impressive. Step inside, and you enter a cockpit that feels more like a spaceship than a car. Holographic displays float in the air, projecting everything from tactical maps to weapon status. Augmented reality overlays highlight threats in real time, and biometric controls mean the vehicle responds only to its authorized commander. The seats are designed not just for comfort, but for endurance, keeping the operator safe even during extreme maneuvers. And for those that are semi-autonomous, the cockpit doubles as a command center, where a single operator can control multiple vehicles at once. What makes these machines so fascinating is their dual identity. On one hand, they feel like pure science fiction, straight out of a video game or a futuristic movie. On the other hand, many of the technologies that inspire them already exist today. Armored vehicles are experimenting with hybrid powertrains, autonomous navigation, and AI-assisted targeting. Advanced suspension systems and adaptive armor are already being tested. The vehicles we see in sci-fi are not as far away as we might think. They're previews of what engineering could look like in the coming decades. Beyond the battlefield, imagine the use of such vehicles in exploration. Think about colonizing Mars or surviving in extreme conditions here on Earth. A futuristic all-terrain machine with reinforced armor and AI navigation could explore alien landscapes, carry heavy equipment, and withstand extreme weather. From deep deserts to frozen tundras, these vehicles could be humanity's ultimate exploration partners. Suddenly, what looks like a war machine could also become a lifeline for survival in unexplored worlds. Another fascinating aspect is the way these futuristic vehicles capture our imagination. They aren't just machines, they're symbols. They represent strength, survival, and the unrelenting pursuit of progress. In movies, they often serve as the hero's ultimate weapon, or the villain's unstoppable force. In games, they give players the thrill of commanding immense power. And in real life, they inspire engineers and designers to push the limits of what's possible. Think about the Mammoth X9 siege tank concept we mentioned earlier. Its 8 massive wheels, glowing armored body, and rocket systems look like they belong in a sci-fi epic, but the inspiration behind it is very real. It's about creating something that doesn't just function, but commands respect. It's about blending imagination with possibility, showing us that the vehicles of the future don't have to be bound by today's rules. Of course, the rise of such machines also raises important questions. With so much power and intelligence, who controls them? What role will humans play when vehicles can fight, drive, and even think on their own? These are the kinds of questions sci-fi always forces us to confront, and why these designs are so captivating. They're not just about technology, they're about the future of humanity itself. In the end, futuristic sci-fi vehicles like the one we've explored today are more than just machines. They're visions of progress, imagination made real, and a reminder that the line between science fiction and reality is thinner than ever before. Whether as war machines, exploration vehicles, or even luxury sci-fi transports, they show us what the future might hold if we dare to build it. Thank you for joining us today on Auto's Time. If you loved this journey into the world of futuristic sci-fi machines, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of automotive and technology. Let us know in the comments. Would you ride in a vehicle like this if given the chance? Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep imagining the future, and remember, at Auto's Time, the future is always just around the corner. Do you want me to make this script focused only on that one giant sci-fi tank in your picture, like a full documentary about its features, or keep it general about future?